Hello.
How was your trip?
Really enjoyed.
You're late.
Yeah, we're late. We were supposed to check in at 2, right?
Okay, yes. But you went for some trip, right?
Yeah. That's why we just leave our bags there.
Okay, no problem. You can please have a seat.
And we're back here in UAE. So this is our second hotel. We transferred from White Hart to this hotel. Thank you. Amazing. They have a complimentary juice. What's your name?
My name is Seth.
Seth.
Seth from
Oh,
Reservation.
Oh. So nice. Ah. Tastes delicious. The name of this hotel is UAE, and it's really amazing because they have complimentary drinks, and look at this. They also have charging station here in the lobby. The road is here. There's a lot of vehicles passing by, but it's fine because we tried the beachfront and now we are trying the one in the street. Maybe just the second floor.
Because I'm not gonna climb. I'm climbing very.
You want one big bed?
Twin. Separate.
Two? Which is the good one for them?
Subscribe to my YouTube.
Yeah, sure. Because you are beautiful. I think your YouTube also nice.
I just started my YouTube, honestly. Okay, that's my YouTube. Daisy Abby.
Yes, happy.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Thank you. What's your name?
Daisy.
Oh, yes. It's difference. Yeah.
It's a flower. Here. This is still UAE?
Second one.
Is this free? I thought it's free. Just get one.
Patay gutom.
Guys, dili siya free pero nangutan namin if free ba ni siya. Yun siya. No, it's not. Okay, just get one. Lingawa ay. Isang gusto mo. It's a nice room. And we're here. I will do our room tour later.
So,
We only have one.
no,
Only
only
one?
one here. So you come houses. So you can
What's your name?
make it. My name is Shahad.
Shahad.
Han.
Shahad. Okay.
You know my name?
Yeah.
What's my name?
Deshi.
Oh, very good.
Thank you, Shahad.
Thank you. The two person is come. You can see that his roof. It's nice. Now it's very nice.
Let's go. We are going to the rooftop. Wow! Look at the view! Kumuta, oy!
Only drinking, yeah.
Thank you.
So we arrived here in our second hotel. So we booked from UI Residence and they generously upgraded us to a better room. And yeah, let me give you guys a room tour. So this is the door. We are on room 202. What is this door here? I think it's connected. Disconnected. And then here are our luggages, and This is the desk where you can work you can put your laptop or anything. Then you have a drawer. Then you have a whole mirror here. Wait, you can look your OOTD and look yourself before going out. And then let's open this. This is the closet. Oh, good thing they have a hanger. The hanger, and we have the safety box. So nice. And the refrigerator, but it's empty, but yeah, it's working. And let's go to the window here. This is nice. And then we have aircon here. Then our light and a small side bed desk. Let's see our bed. I'll be sleeping this side and Joyce is on this side. And then here is also another desk. That's it. Here, there is water.
No voucher.
Oh.
Para sa atong password.
There's a TV. There's a fan. Nice room. Let's go to the restroom. Have the sink and the vanity mirror here. And you have the socket where you can charge. This is the toilet. And you have the bedette and the tissue and then put it here. Looks clean. This is the shower room here. So window. Oh, I like the shower. Is it called hot and cold? I think it's hot and cold. Nice. So that's all for the restroom. Itong nagigay ko. Oh my god, I'm so dark now. So that's all for the room tour. I'm so tired from the full day excursion, but I really enjoyed it. It's really amazing to see the stingrays and fishes. So it's really nice. Ate Joyce is going to take a bath and I'll wait here on my bed. See you guys later. Looking for our towels, and then we tried to call the main lobby and here it is.
A few moments later.
We're done. Paligo namin, and now we are going to have dinner in UAE. So, ilang mga price guys is more or less USD 4 USD.
The next morning.
This is what I'm having for breakfast. Chapata and so I have some toasted bread, egg, and chapata, and sausage, and what's this? Tuna, I think. It's time to eat.